Hello everybody, my name is Hindu. Today we are going to learn the alphabet in sign language. Remember, the alphabet we use a flat palm which should be facing outwards. For the alphabet, that is how we do it. Let's start. A, fold your palm. Do not keep it closed. A, just the way I'm doing it. B, C. It's a curve. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, or sound O. P, the way you do D, just invert. P, Q, R, S, just like how it's written. Do not make A, but S. T, or T. You can sign it either way. U, V, just like how it's written. V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. Remember, in summary, let's repeat the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please continue practicing the alphabet until you become perfect. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channels below.